the very, very hopeful and pleasant year. We had less than 450 children absent before we did a reconciliation. What do I mean by that? There are sometimes, if you're going to, and I know this, if you're going to St. Pius Primary, and you were registered at St. Pius Primary for the exam, but you left St. Pius Primary and went to Mays or School of the Nation, and you sat the exam there because you didn't tell us that you left our public school, then you would be treated as a walk-in there. And so you weren't absent, you just were absent at this registration center. We didn't do that reconciliation fully as yet, but even without that reconciliation, from COVID to now, this is the best turnout we have had. And I'm very, very, very pleased about that. It means that we had more children interested, more parents aware. The system is picking itself up back after COVID. And that was, I believe, as a direct result of our injection of resources. When you give textbooks, parents can't help but notice those in their children's book bags. When you're giving breakfast, you know, you'd be surprised. Well, you may not be surprised if you've been reading international reports on the issue. Where school feeding happens, and I hate that term, but it is what it is. Children come to school specifically for the meals, some kids, and so you're actually able to retain more children in the classroom. The cash grant has a condition attached to it that you had to have been on the register and attending school. So we believe that has thrown up some, help us to keep children in the classroom, help us to retain children in the schools. And the ability to use the various other resources might have made children feel less hopeless than they were feeling before. So our statistics on turnout this year has shown us that we've definitely done better as a system, an education system, and I'd really like to keep that up and improve on it where we see nobody absent. With migration and some illnesses and so on, there's always going to be a small number, but this is the smallest number so far that we've had from COVID to now who've been absent.